Hi everyone. So in this video, I am going to discuss how to do customer transaction inquiry. So the first step that we are going to do here is you have to log in into your back office. Once you're logged in, tap the sales module here, and then you may select customer transaction inquiry. By doing so, you may select a customer bar where you can just tap the spacebar key into your keyboard and search the name of your customer. So I have here Maria Emilia Galvez. You can also select the date from and the date to. Select the type if you want to see only the invoices, the overdue invoices, its payments, credit notes or return, and the delivery notes or receipts. You may tap search and you will see everything. So in my end, I did not select any classification or tabs. I am going to view everything here from invoice, credit notes, delivery receipts to payments. And as you can see, I have here a total balance. I can see here debit and credit. I have my pencil icons here for editing purposes. This arrow in icon for returns or credits. So you can actually see that one. And of course, this is very good for customer tracking and profiling here in the system. So that is the purpose of our customer transaction inquiry.